Welcome, in front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Ultimate 2 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. Pairing a HUAWEI watch with the Android phone is a bit, I would say, complicated, because we need to download the HUAWEI AppGallery and then use it to download the HUAWEI Health application, because the HUAWEI apps are not available on the App Store, on the Google Play Store. So, first you will need to turn on your watch by pressing and holding the crown button, and after you turn it on, you should see the list of languages on the screen. You can scroll through this list, find the language you would like to use, then tap on it to select it, and as you can see, we can use the QR code to basically get the download link for the app. I'm just gonna use the browser, so I'm gonna open the web browser. You can use any browser you like, then tap on search and type in appgallery.huawei.com. And without the featured, so we can just this page and tap on search. And here on the main page, you should see this download icon, and you can tap on it and tap on install AppGallery, and it will start downloading. After it's done, you can tap on open, and as you can see, we don't have the required permissions to install the third-party applications, but we can tap on settings, allow from the source, then you will see the pop-up, tap on install, and if you see another pop-up, this one, bullshit Google Play Protect, tap on more details, tap on install anyway, confirm, and the app will start installing. And after that we can open, and here we can not scroll down, tap next, agree, and here you should see the app gallery. Now tap on search, type in HUAWEI Health and tap on search, and you should see the HUAWEI Health right here. You can tap on install, settings, allow from the source, go back and tap on install again. It will start downloading. And then you can tap on install. And after the application is done installing, the install button will change to open. And you can tap on it to open the HUAWEI Health application. Here we need to select the service region. You can tap on it and scroll through the list to look for something you like. And of course tap on it to select it. Then tap next, next, agree, allow or deny the permission for the physical activity and the notifications. And now you should see the health page. Tap on devices, tap on add device, allow the required permission. It will start scanning for the nearby devices, and it should detect your Watch Ultimate 2. Tap on connect. You probably will be asked to log in into HUAWEI ID account. If you don't have one, you can tap on register right here to make a new one. If you have an account, enter the email address and password. And as you can see, we need to get the code from the email address. So I'm gonna tap on get code, wait for it, and then enter it. So we got our code. Now we can basically paste it right here, and then we can tap on OK. And after you log in, the app will reboot, and we need to tap on devices again, tap on add device, tap on connect next to our Watch Ultimate 2, scroll down, tap on allow, tap on the check mark on the watch, Here you can check the box and tap next, and right here you can check the boxes next to enhanced services like location services, user program, and software updates, automatic software updates. So if you want to use any of these features, you will need to check the box right here. You don't need to check them at all. You can tap on next, tap on OK, and tap on next again. And here we have the auto updates, and you can check the box to auto download over the Wi-Fi. So if you want the updates for your watch to download automatically, check the box and then tap on continue. If you don't care, you can tap on, or rather uncheck it and tap on continue. Here we can tap on done, continue, and right here we can enable the phone notifications for our watch. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your watch, or rather from your phone on your watch, you can also turn them off if you like to. And if you want to turn them on, tap on the switch, and then enable or disable the notifications for specific applications. And then tap on done, OK. And if you see this, let's wait, go back. If you see this, tap on authorize, and then you can allow or deny the permission for the location. OK, I'm gonna sync later with my HUAWEI ID, and at this point you should see the Watch Ultimate 2 on the device page for it basically. It should say connected, and if you go to your watch, go through the tutorial. Okay. Come on, let's do it. You can do it, watch. And here we have it. We can press the crown button, agree to the terms for the watch faces, and now you should see the watch face and your watch should be ready to use. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.